Hey everybody, welcome to week number 2. Week number 1 was a little exciting and interesting. I know that some of you were not able to meet deadlines on various things. I am a little bit flexible on that, but I do want you to be very, very aware of the deadlines for each assignment. I'm going to go over some of the things that, just to recap what we did in week 1 and what you should be aware of, okay? First of all, the profile picture, most of you have that. You can see on the class roster. If you click on people, like over here, people, you can see that many of you, let me click on that. We go to all roles. Now we're going to go to students. And, you know, you can see that over here on the side, you can see the people that have put pictures there. Some of you have not done anything, so therefore you don't have any points yet for that. Late pictures get late points. Okay, so try to be on time with those kinds of things. Let me go back now. The second thing is your intro videos. It's in the discussion board area if I click here. And you can see the intro video is right here, the intro video links. You do need to, I put mine right here on the front, but you do need to click on this whole class area, number 1, and then you can see everybody's video. Everybody's video is right here. It should be a link to either a YouTube or a Youku area or page where you have posted your video. We don't want you to upload videos, but it should be there. I haven't yet watched everyone's video, so I will be commenting on those. But you should also be looking at your classmates' video this week. That's part of your homework. And they should only be 2 or 3 minutes long. I hope everyone was able to download and use the information at OSU's VPN, that's a virtual private network page, so that you can access the YouTube video links. I'm not being quite so successful at posting things on Youku, so that's very important. Next, the intro video. The next one would be the discussion board area. And when we go back to the discussion board, I see that, and I've graded those actually, you can see that a lot of people a lot of you have not yet posted any response to one of your peers. If I go to discussion board, post 1, and I'm just going to go real quickly here to something to show you. This is the speed grader that I use. But this basically shows me, you know, who posted. Here's Yifan, and Yifan, you know, you posted something here, but you haven't responded yet. Same with various people. So I can see your posting here, but some people have not posted at all. But you need to do 2 things, and this is 20 points over here, okay? You're going to be 10 points for your posting and 10 points for your response. So it's very important that you amend that, okay, and get that done. Late submissions, obviously, are going to be graded accordingly, okay? Remember, postings are always due Friday night so that you have a chance and others have a chance to read it and then submit a response to one of your peers by Sunday night. And if you don't know how to do that, if you remember the 200 to 300 words for the posting, 75 to 150 for the response, but watch the videos that explain postings and discussions, okay? Now, let's go back. The next thing would be profile draft, okay? And I see that many of you have submitted those. And if you haven't, please do so, because I'm going to be looking at those, responding to some comments, and posting those in the assignment section itself so that you can look at my comments and then revise it by starting Thursday morning. I will try to finish all of these by Wednesday evening, okay? So look for there'll be some kind of a response or announcement or a notification in your Carmen about the fact that I finished my responses, my my comments on your personal profile, and then please look at those. And I will be posting a video in this announcements area soon about how to view those comments. So please look at that, because I want to make sure that you know how to revise based on those comments that I put there. Okay, let's go to week number 2. Week number 2, you have basically the same thing as last week. You make sure you read these readings, watch these videos on that'll be relevant for this week. And then here are all of your to-do assignments. You need to post to the discussion board, answer to the question by Friday night, respond to the peer by Sunday night. And then the photo reflection assignment, which is very important this week, is part 1. You're going to be going to a particular website, looking up a couple of jobs that you are interested in, summarizing those jobs, and then basically choosing one and explaining why you you feel that particular job is best for you. In the meantime, as you write about these things based on the assignment description, you need to include a couple of pictures that are relevant to those jobs and the description and things that you're talking about. So that's why it's called a photo reflection. We're incorporating photos in there. And you need to make sure that you reference the things that you're quoting about summarizing, where you got the information for all of these jobs, and where you got your pictures. That's the important part of this. And instead of me commenting this time on your assignment, your peers are going to be reading this, and there's a form that you need to go through to actually comment on your peers' assignment. And you're going to be making those revisions based on your peers' comments. Okay? So that's happening this week. And then revising as before your personal profile. And when you revise your personal profile, you should upload the file here to Carmen. But then in addition, very important, upload it to your u.osu.edu page. And all of the assignment are described here in Schedule 2, Week 2 schedule. Okay? Now, regarding the u.osu.edu pages, which you should have, and this will be the last thing. Let me go back home here. And you realize that all of these assignments all of the pages are listed down here in the u.osu.edu links. You can see mine. You click on my name. But I do want to show you, actually one student had done this right. This is Yiying Wang, and this is her page, his page, the student's page. But you see they have their name up here. They have a nice tagline underneath that. Then they have the whole menu, which they need for assignments. And this is where your personal profile is going to go in this first page. So this is where you will post it. Others, and most of you, are basically this. You've activated your page, but you've left this blog name up here, which I really don't want. You've left the default tagline, which you need to change, and you don't have any menus. But you have activated your pages. So this is really not complete. Please change those pages. And if you're curious on how to do that, that is, again, you go to week number 1. You can see the video. And the video about that is called, right here, Getting Started with u.osu.edu. Please watch that and follow the instructions that are clearly given in that, okay? Anyway, have a good week. And again, email me, WeChat me, or post a question in that discussion board about questions about the class. Have a good week.